And the third is using well and sustainable selling points to expand export market.
So, in conclusion, dolphin fish is facing numerous problems, include overfishing and low local demand and poor regulation. To solve this problem, we need better planning and enforcement of laws, and perhaps public educate to shift the market habits as well. And that's all. Next page. Thank you for your attention.
对啊，我
等一下，我还没好，来下一。哎，对，你去控制那个啦，你不要过来，你做你的事情。好。
Hello everyone, our research topic is sharking exploring the changes of whales and dolphins trendings from the perspective of topography and ocean currents. My name is CHUN-CHIAO.
And my name is Shin. This is our content. It's time to end the cruel slaughter of whales and leave these magnificent creatures alone. Ships are expendable. The whales are not, by the whole mechanism. And this is our motivation. Purpose.
We unintentionally came across a news report about a whale and dolphin stranding incident. Through further investigation, we discovered that such stranding incidents have increased in recent years. As a result, we decided to explore the possible causes behind the dolphin and whales stranding incidents. Our research mainly focuses on the rising number of the stranding incidents along the western coast of Taiwan, and we chose CHUN-CHIAO Coast in Miaoli as the starting points for our study.
And this is an introduction of dolphins and whales. First, it is the dolphins. We have the Chinese white dolphins, right propolis, and bottlenose dolphins. And the second, we introduce the whales. We have the sperm whales and the fin whales and the pingy killer whales. During our investigation, we observed that their strandings also occur along the coast of Japan. And through our research, we found that the main causes of the increasing numbers are the disorientations, navigational errors, and the changes in the ocean currents. And after identifying this process, we use the data to further observe and analyze in order to verify our hypothesis and draw conclusions. This is the data that we found and we use to verify our introduction. Yeah.
Our first established conclusion is that gravity changes in seafloor topography can affect the sonar systems of whales and dolphins. In the seafloor topography map of the CHUN-CHIAO coast extending up to 10 kilometers offshore, we discovered significant and gravity variations in the terrain. To verify this hypothesis, we found that similar stranding incidents have occurred along the coast of Chiba, Japan, where the seafloor topography also exhibits rapid and complex changes. Therefore, we conclude that rapid and complex variations can interfere with the sonar systems of whales and dolphins.
Our second result is that changes in the ocean current's temperature can cause strains. CHUN-CHIAO is our research starting point. Temperature changes caused by the variation in these currents can disorient whales and dolphins. From comparative charts, we found that during monsoon transition periods, the surface temperature difference was 1.5 Celsius higher than the other months. We also used an event in Japan to verify the correlation between the current temperature and the strandings. And the line graph data showed that during April to May, temperature fluctuation in the region were indeed significant, supporting the hypothesis that variations in current temperature can disorient and lead to stranding. And this is the bad description that we get. And we also go to the community to introduce our research to the resident and also the student from the January high school. And this is our reference. This is our research. Thank you for listening.
Everyone, and I am Catherine Lee.
I'm Timmy Kuo.
And today we are going to talk about the breathing take whales from the Haineo culture in Taiwan to ocean acidification.
So, we are the first generation to feel the impact of climate change and the last that can do something about it. It means we are the only generation with the chance to be heroes. If we fail, it will be almost impossible to turn things around. Now, we must take the responsibility.
And these are our team members. Our contacts. Environmental trends have brought us face to the problem of ocean acidification. Nowadays, in pursuit of fast fashion, many people contribute to even more carbon dioxide emissions, which worsens ocean acidification. As a result, shellfish struggle to survive, and this indirectly affects the livelihoods of hainou in Taiwanese Sadumi region. And before we jump into our problems, let's talk about what is ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is when carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater. It reacts with water. This gradually lowers the ocean pH, making the water more acidic.
The first problem is fast fashion emits a large amount of carbon dioxide. Fast fashion is cheap, so many people buy more clothes and throw them quickly. But making clothes creates a lot of carbon dioxide. And when we threw them out, they got burned, creating even more carbon dioxide. But now, not many students know this happening.
So the solution is to have students collect second-hand clothes and tell them the story about ocean and the ocean acidification. This helps them understand the importance of recycling clothes and what we plan to do with the clothes afterward.
The next problem is environmental change Henyou's life. Who is Henyou? Henyou is a women who dive for shellfish and seaweed are losing their income because the ocean is absorbing too much carbon dioxide. Shells get thinner and seaweed disappears, and their work becomes more dangerous.
So the next solution is to recruit volunteers to design and build a large-scale landscapes art installation. Every volunteer must bring at least one piece of unwanted clothing to donate, then use those garments as the very materials for our artwork. By transforming old clothes into a stunning visual display, we will create a powerful and unforgettable statement that really sticks in people's mind.
The last problem is students lack awareness of the ocean. We can see most people haven't even heard of it. We found in the school survey that only 33% of students know what ocean acidification is. And even worse, only 20% of students care about ocean issues, and just 40% have take action. That is too low.
The last solution is to build our own DIY experiment device. It's easy to make, low cost, and simple to understand. Through the data and the charts we get from the experiment, we can explore more serious problems caused by ocean acidification. It also helps break the stereotypes that science experiments are expensive and difficult to do.
And now let's talk about our experience. And this photo is one of our project showcase, which held with other 4 senior high school. In this event, we mainly talk about the ocean acidification, and we promoted our device. And this event was held by the International Pacific Marine Educator Network. In this event, we held a workshop where we introduced our device and invited professors and scholars from different countries to try out our experiments. And about the expectation effects. So we divide the expectations into two parts. And the first one is the capability range of high school students, which is solve the problem with simple STEAM courses, which stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, such as lectures, workshop, and social media. That doesn't require that much money. And the second one will be completed with some sponsorship and artist assistance. Recently, we are working on a large-scale landscape arts with the assistance of the artist CHUN-CHIAO. In this project, creative media are mostly second-hand clothes and marine waste. Through large-scale landscape art, this project highlights the transformation of waste recycling while integrating civic engagement and scientific literacy. Last, we hope that with our meager, we can remind people of the importance of protecting marine resources and preserving the culture of Henyo. And this is our resources.
So, the last sentence we give to everybody is the ocean is a silent victim of climate change. It means a lot of environmental harms hide in plain sight. What doesn't speak is often forgotten. But silence isn't safety. It's just a calm before the collapse. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
没有，
哦，没有开啊。
有点紧张哎，你好好笑啊。等一下，等他们。
要全部。
等那边。
Good afternoon, everyone. And my name is Jiang Youjun. This is Wang Bokai. Yeah, we are team. Today I want to share with you a special plan. It is called Learning from Our Seniors.
我按了。
Yeah.
你自己按就好了。
Yeah. Why do we want to do this? Because seniors have already walked the road we are walking now. They know how to study well, how to prepare for exam, and how to choose this right school for the future. They have many good ideas and real experience, so we want to invite them to talk with us. In this plan, we will do two things. First,
这是我的。
First, we will interview our seniors. We will ask them about their school life, study methods, and how they solve problems. Second, we will write down or record their answers. That way more people can learn from them.
Okay, and we ask 4 questions. And the first one is, what kind of attitudes should we have for learning? And the second one is, what were their score or rankings? And the third one is, how can we be more self-disciplined? And the fourth one is, what problems did they have when preparing for a contest? And I have a conclusion, is like many seniors told us what attitude is more important than just getting high scores. They said learning is a long-term thing. We should enjoy learning, not just feel stressed. Some of them were top students, and some were not, but they all tried hard and found their own way to improve. About self-discipline, they said it's important to get goals and build habits. Motivation is not always there, but habits helps us keep going. They also shared problems like stress, being tired, and not enough time. They said it helps to take breaks, ask friends, and keep trying. We learned that we don't need to be perfect. We just need to keep learning, ask for help, and believe in ourselves. We hope that one day we can also share our experience with younger students. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah,
thank you.
We're finished. Yeah, thank you.
好尴尬哦，好尴尬，别人逃跑什么？
报告就到这边结束，我们现在合照一下。来，请就位，请就位，进去里面。
进去里面。
换个位置。
我叫陈元山来拍就好。
啊，哦，叫陈元山。
我叫陈元山。哦，然后就叫陈，之后就叫陈元山。
哈，
叫陈元山叫。
现在是批斗大会。